What you can also do is add and delete storyboard profiles as you want inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, you need to click on File and then go to Export right here and then select PDF. So once you do that here, you can see that there's different default parameters that you can use, or you can go around and press the plus button right here. And then what happens is that you can name the parameter what you want. You can change around the settings however you like. Let's say, for example, for this, I'm going to keep it as A4 size right here. You can also select a default background right here, and you can work around with cover page. You can add in panels that you want right here, just like this. You can work around with captions as you want, headers, footers. You can set it out according to how you want right here, just like that. So once everything is done, you can press OK, and that particular storyboard profile will be added right here, as you can see. So you can go around over here, and then you can edit the profile as well to change the profile out, or you can go around and delete the profile as well, just like this. So if I were to delete it, it says, are you sure you want to delete the output profile? So you can delete that out as well. So here there are different profiles, as you can see, and you can delete out the existing profiles as well if that is not what you want. And that is how you can add and delete out profiles. And then if I were to go around over here, you can see that you can duplicate out a profile as well. And then you can go around onto edit profile right here. You can go around into edit profile and then work around with the profile settings according to how you want. What you can also do is you can go around, delete the profile from here, export out a profile over here as well. So you want to export out all the profile, you can click on export, and I'm just going to go around onto my desktop and then export it out. So you can send that file to someone else, and then if they want, they can go around and then import out the profile again. And that is how you can add and delete storyboard profile and even export profile so that others can import the profile inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.